occur. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to Mid-Lake until 8:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to McHenry to 9 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. This is Noaa.